Hi everyone, welcome to Mitosu Crafts and to the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of free. So it's either free tutorial, free items, free as a bird, or things like that. So as you can see, I'm going to be creating a project featuring items from the sale-a-bration, which you can get for free until the 28th of February 2025. And it is the heart-shaped bundle on page 12 of the brochure. There you go. I'll bring that up so you can see. So I'll be making a card with a clover using the die from the heart-shaped bundle. So I've already gone ahead and die cut myself 3 of those, but I'll show you one to die cut. In garden green, I have basic beige square card base, which measures 5 inches by 10 inches, folded in half. Another basic beige, which is 4.5 square, and basic white, which is 1/8 of an inch bigger. So you just have a tiny border on there. I've got soft seafoam ink on there, and I've gone ahead and pre-die cut myself the flower from the same set as well. So I'll quickly just die cut one of the hearts. We're independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrators based in the UK. So if you live in the UK, France, Germany, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, or Ireland, you can purchase current Stampin' Up! Products from our online shop. So we're only going to be using the outer shape heart. So you have 4 other die cuts that you can create another card, maybe a 4 layout like that. So now that I have that, I'll do some stamping first on the card base or card front, card layer. So for this one, I'm gonna use the bottom of the stamp corner to stamp on the corners as well. So what I've done is I've kind of like not measured, but kind of like eyeballed it where it's gonna be equal distance, and I've just used a washi tape to just remind me of where it's gonna be. So basically it is the, I don't know if you can see, the outer leaf on the left and the outer leaf on the right as well. I think it's the first single leaf on each side, and I'm just gonna do that in soft seafoam. So the washi tape just reminds me where I need to ink up as well. And because it is a light ink, it just gives me a bit of guidance as well when I need to when stamping. So if I bring that up, you can kind of like see the first leaf and then the first leaf on there as well. So I'm just gonna turn that and repeat the process 4 times for all corners. You can get over your card layer easier. I can't do that with the camera, but hopefully my stamping is okay. Do check the description below for the product links as well as the next video in the hop. Now I won't be adding a sentiment for this card, but there are sentiments in the stamp set, as you can see. Or I did find a nice sentiment from Wonderful Thoughts, which is like, you can do amazing things because it's Clover kind of thing, or congratulations for a wedding. And the dice for that matches the sentiments as well. But as I said, I won't be doing that or adding that on. So we'll bring in the other 2 or 3. Again, I've gone ahead and stuck 2 of them together. I'll bring it up so you can see I created a tiny square in the middle, and I'm just gonna add the other two. So you can either join two together and then stick them both, or stick two and then just add on the other two on the same. But I'll just do the same for this one. So add the left and the right piece together, create that tiny square in the middle, and then add that on. So it's fairly easy. So as I said, great for good luck cards or wedding cards. We can also add some score lines onto our card layer. So with your paper trimmer, because I want the emboss, I'm going to turn it over. Half of 4.5 is 2.25. So I'm just going to do 1 and then move 1/8 of an inch both sides of that. So that is 2/1/8 and then 2/3/8 of an inch. If you prefer the emboss or the deboss side, you can't really see it, there you go, then do it on the front, but you can see the embossed side a lot better, hopefully. Yeah, so it just gives it a bit of texture. Now we're just gonna mat and layer our basic beige on the basic white and then on the card front, and then add that on the front. So I'm just gonna add dots of blue on the bigger areas. I think that's it. Stick that down, and because we have that like embossed line, we can line that up nicely, but I'm just eyeballing it. And to finish, I'm just gonna add that white on. You can add dimensional. There's 4 layers of card there, so it might make it too tall. So I'm just gonna add that on. And there we go. That is my card for the Global Stampin Video Hop with the theme of free. I have made another one, A6 card, which is 10.5 by 14 centimeters, white on white. And I've just used the mini alphabet dies, so you can do love or either the initials of the two getting married. And also, if you haven't seen as well, I created a butterfly. This video is on our channel as well. So let me know which one you prefer, which color or ideas that you have seen today. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, bye!